the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC is seeking to replace Shepard Manivi, who resigned. The replacement is being done by Parliament, which is now inviting the public to nominate candidates to fill Manivi's vacants. Sadc ZEC replaces top resigned commissioner. We will subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Mr. Manivi resigned recently and left ZEC after being appointed Executive Secretary of the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission. In terms of Section 237 of the Constitution, the CSRO is now required to oversee a public process to fill the post, beginning with an open call for nominations, followed by public interviews and the submission of the shortlist to the President for final appointment. According to the notice, the CSRO will invite members of the public to nominate suitably qualified Zimbabwean citizens, conduct public interviews of shortlisted candidates, and then forward a list of nominees deemed fit and proper to the President. Nominees must be chosen for their integrity, experience, and competence in public or private sector affairs. It must not be members of the Parliament, public officers, or employees of government-controlled entities. Both men and women are eligible for nomination. ZEC is constitutionally mandated to conduct and supervise presidential, parliamentary, and local authority elections, manage referendums, register voters, and maintain voters' roll, delimit constituencies and wards, accredit election observers, and ensure that all electoral processes are free, fair, transparent, and conducted in accordance with the law. On paper, these responsibilities place the Commission at the heart of Zimbabwe's democratic process. In practice, however, ZEC's record has been persistently contested since its establishment. The Commission has been dogged by accusations of partisanship, lack of transparency, and administrative failures, particularly during the national elections. Opposition parties, civil society organizations, and election observer mission have repeatedly accused ZEC of acting in ways that favor the ruling ZANU-PF, especially in tight contested polls. During successive elections including 2018 and 2023 amnesty polls, ZEC was criticized for delays in releasing presidential results, the opaque handling of the voters' roll, disputed ballot paper printing arrangements, and the controversial delimitation of electoral boundaries. The 2023 delimitation exercise, in particular, was widely condemned for alleged mathematical errors, for producing constituencies with vastly unequal voter populations, a move, critics say, advantaged ZANU-PF strongholds. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa section medu za fundo enyi motokudeva musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.